What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you another basic hip-hop dance move. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, you need to close your feet together. So you're gonna punch to your right, left knee up, punch to your left, right knee up. It goes like this. 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you're gonna go way 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Wait, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, for this, you're gonna go to your left and 1, 2, other side, 3, 4. Copy? Then 5, 6, close, 7, chest and 8. One more time. So 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Next. Okay, next for this you're gonna need to go to your right. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time. Let's do it slowly. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you go to your right, your left arm is punching like this, going front. So 7, 8. So when you go to your left, 5, 6, your right is punching to the front. Get it? Let's try quicker, faster. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. And for the last 8, so you finish here, go 1, 2, then wait, 3, down 4, side 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time. So 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. 4 basic hip hop. Alright, let's start. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Wait, 5, 6, 7, 8, side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Good job. Now let's try again with music. Here we go. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. Also don't forget to press that notification bell for future uploads. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.